and we are the Harvey Brothers. The materials needed for this project is glasses, Alka-Seltzer, food coloring,
just on another planet.
water, and vegetable oil. Pour vegetable oil enough so that you can still put water in it and it won't overlap. So you need water, and you're going to pour some of it into each bottle that you have. Hi guys, the next step is to put the Alka-Seltzers into your bottles. You can also put food dye into them if you choose to. This is a fun project. You can use it as a gift, or you can compete with your friends and see who can make the best one. Hi guys, this experiment was possible because the solution was water soluble but was not oil soluble. So when I put the tablet into the solution, two chemicals reacted, citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, creating CO2. Bye guys, we had fun creating this experiment and we'll see you later. Bye! If you enjoyed the video guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified on every new video I post. Share it with your friends and family. Bye! Adios.